Guys, here's another cool die-cast car from Maisto. This is the 1979 Ford F-150 pickup truck in black and red with cool chrome mags. As you see, features opening tailgate, front doors, and hood. Under the hood, you have the detailed engine. What I've done is install working lights in this car. I should say truck. Runs for 1 9-volt battery. The on and off switch right here. When the battery runs out, like I said, 9-volt, it's hidden inside. So you have to remove 4 screws. 1 right here, 2 on the sides, and 1 on the back. Real easy. Less than a minute to replace a 9-volt battery. Let me turn the lights on so you can see. You have the working headlights. They're in soft white, just like the truck would have had back in 1979. Amber lights on the bottom. We have some interior lights so you can see the interior a little bit better. And on the back, you have the tail lights. It does come with its box, so packed for safe delivery. It'll be up on eBay. My eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Please ask all questions before you bid. And what is a F-150 Ranger? I didn't notice that before. Again, any question you might have before you bid, it'll be packed for safe delivery. And that's pretty much it. All right, guys. Thanks a lot.